If you're building WordPress website, creating a page from scratch can take a lot of time. What if AI could generate a layout for you and is still giving you full control to customize everything? So in this video, we will explore CrocoBuilder. I'll show you how it works. We'll create a website from scratch and we will learn it step by step. So let's get started. So I have this WordPress website. So let's go to the dashboard of this website and let me just activate this CrocoBuilder. In this video, we will learn all about this AI CrocoBuilder. So first of all, let's go to the pages and let's create one page here. Click on add page and that is something home page. And then add it with Croco. So this is our home page. In the left side, you will see here some basic elements like blog, grid, SVG, text, heading, all the things. And in the right side, you will see here the element tree. So whenever you drag and drop any block or any component, in the right side, you will see the tree of that element. And in the top bar, we have the option to check our website responsiveness. Like you can make it like 1024 or you can change it also. Like click on that edit and then here we have the breakpoints. Here you can add the breakpoints and set it. Now in the top bar, we have three things: code, dev and AI. So whenever we select the dev, we can work on the visual part. When we choose the code, so we need to write a simple code here. And we have the another option called AI. So whenever we select the AI, so we can generate a components, elements and sections using the AI. Now let's go to the dev. Now let me just drag and drop here one block and I'm going to just change the template, okay, to make it as a canvas. So I'm going to just select your template through Croco canvas and update this. Go here, let me just save this and refresh it. So we have this block section here. And the right side, you will see here the elementary. Under this, we can add anything. Let me just add here heading like this. And then I can add here the text also like this. Now I have added this in a visual builder. Now I need to add here the spacing. So click on this and go to the style and simply you can add here the spacing like this. So when you go to the code here, you can see here, this is the HTML code that builder generated. Now go to the dev and you can change anything that you want. In the right side, you will see the tree, block sections, heading, and then the text. Now let's go to the tools. And in tool, we have some options is like CSS classes manager, common style, CSS variable manager, and import design system or export design system. What I'll do, I'll use the any other AI tool and generate a CSS class file. So it's very simple. Now I'm going to just write simple, like write a clean CSS using BM, CSS variables and class selector only, no media queries. Now we have the CSS variables. So let me just scroll down and you will see here the CSS file. Now let me just download that style.css and simply go to the or builder here, click on the tool and click on import design system. Just upload that file and click on this button. And now as you can see here, we have 41 CSS variable. Let me just import this. It's done. Now here we have the block section. So if you want to design this, so it's very simple. Now simply click on that block section like this. And here you can add the CSS. Suppose card 1, card description, card title. I'm going to just add as a card. So you can apply that design globally in any page. So this is a fantastic thing. Now the main part is AI. This is a game changer. Click on this. Now, first of all, we need to connect this with OpenAI or cloud. So I'm going to use here the OpenAI. So click on the open connector. I'm going to use here the OpenAI, activate. I need to put my API key here. Just copy the API key. Just go here, paste your key here and connect. Now refresh this. Now as you can see here, this AI is connected now. Now here we can write a simple prompt here to generate a simple one section for our website. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go to the tab, delete this block section from here. I'm going to just delete this section. I'm going to write a simple prompt here like create a first section for doctors. Simple is that. Okay. Now let me just enter and let's wait some seconds. Here we are generating the section by section so we can see all the code. We can see proper component. We can reuse all these components. There are a lot of things. I'll show you the step by step. Wow, he generated this amazing section. As you can see, this is the first section. Now what I'll do here, let's go to the tab. And as you can see, this is our design. So what I'll do here, I just need to see that how it's look. Okay, in the view version, let's click on view. and this look like this. Fantastic. I'm going to just delete this block from here and let me just save it. So next what I'll do, I'll create one component and that component should be a reusable component. So I can use it globally on my website. So I'm going to create a component for pricing. How I can do that? That's very simple. Click on that tool. You will see the option of component builder. Click on this. Now we can see no component yet. So let's click on create component. Now how we can do this? So I'm going to use the AI again. Let's click on the AI and just write a very simple prompt here as like create a pricing component that I can reuse it to display the pricing for various services. Is going to create a component for us. Okay. So let's wait some seconds. Now as you can see here, it generated. Let me just click on the create component. Okay, this is my component. Let me just cross this and let's open this website and I'm going to use it in the dev. Go to the dev element, just scroll down and what I'll do here, I'm going to just add here one blog section and under this, I'm going to add, click on the plus icon, just scroll down and as you can see in the bottom in the left side, you will see the service pricing component. Just drag and drop it here. Have the option of like pricing plans. So I can add like plan's name is like basic and the price is $100. Description is pay. Now, when you write this, as you can see, we created this. As you can see, basic 100, basic 100, and this is description we added here. Now we can simply copy and paste this component. So I can add this section. I can copy paste this. I can reuse this component. So this is how we can create a component and reuse it. Now let me show you one more amazing thing. It's called MCP. It means we can connect this CrocoBlock AI with any AI tool and then we can give prompt to that AI tool and that will generate a whole content section, everything for us here in this page. How it is possible? It's very simple. Now, how we can do this? So I'm using here the Codex. So you can use the cloud also and other AI tools. Let's see how this will work. Okay, how we can connect this. So first of all, let's go to our website. Let me just save this for now here. And let's go to the page here and go to the CrocoBuilder and go to the AI and MCP. Now here we need to enable the MCP. Let's just turn it on. Now we have the name, we have the URL, and we need to generate a token also. So we can connect this builder with our AI tool. So let me just save this and just need to do one thing. Copy paste entire thing like this. Okay. Just go here. Just say here, create MCP for this and just paste the thing and make sure click on create tokens and then copy paste these tokens here. You don't need to do anything here. You just need to paste these tokens and just enter. I'll add CrocoBuilder as streamable HTTP MCP server. Now let's wait some seconds. And once we connect, we can control our entire this design from here. Now as you can see, this is configured. Let me just restart it. Okay. Yes, CrocoBuilder is now available in this task. Its builder, design system, documents, media, and preview tools are loaded. Now what I'll do here, as you can see here, I generated this, right? So what I'll do, I created here two sections. Okay. Now I'll just copy that URL. So I'm just writing here like extend two more section in this page based on the page design. Okay, based on the page design something. I'm going to just paste this. This is my page. Or you can write a simple proper prompt here. Like if you want some particular section, you want some pricing section, whatever you want, you just need to tell here in this AI tool. Now automatically, let me just save it, okay? For now. So automatically that AI tool gonna create the two more sections in this page. Okay, how this will look. Now let's wait some seconds. The two section has been added successfully. Let me just refresh this page and wow, he generated two more sections. Like we created these two sections. Now Codex generated two more sections for us. This is how we can connect the MCP. We can generate a code with this. So they have a lot other options. Like when you go to the tools, they have options like Query Builder. You can have the power to customize the design and add the custom value. So you can do it very easily. So this is all about it. There are a lot of things to explore. In the future, we will deep dive into all other features. I'll give you the link of this website in the description. You can check out their plans and you can choose the plan according to your requirement. Currently, they are running an offer. You can grab it. I'll give you the link in the description. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.